What is up, YouTube? Welcome to my next video, which is a drawing challenge, a 10-minute, 1 minute, and 10-second challenge. And I'm doing this to kind of test myself and see if I can work under pressure and try to get it done as fast as I can. So I'm doing it with this character named Garou from One Punch Man. A pretty good character. Has an awesome little story arc that he has working with. So right now I'm trying to get through a majority of the picture, but at a certain point during the picture, I think one of my pens started running out of ink, so I had to kind of figure out which other pen to use, and I had all my pens lined up around the table, so I had to kind of pick which one and get it down fairly quickly. So at a certain point, I think I started to get to the pens because I didn't want to use the pencil too much because I didn't want to waste too much time. I think that at that point it was when I pretty much had the pen that was run out of the ink and I had to switch it up. So I'm trying to add all the big shapes first before I get to the shadows or the cross hatching, and using getting the blood in and the cut. And the thing about these challenges, especially the ones that I've seen online, it's fairly hard, especially when you're trying to get it done real quick rather than taking your time getting it done. You have a time limit, so you're kind of on a restraint. And right now I'm adding the cross hatching or the shading. Trying to make sure all the details are in there, and I'm eventually gonna go in with the dark black. Try to get all that in the clothing, and also some more of the shadows on the neck, and I think I got some of the vein also with it. I think I went over this with about a few passes. I was able to get in before the 10-minute mark. And like time is almost running out, so I was trying to get through real quick. I was trying to go through a lot of my stuff. I made this video fairly fast because I didn't want everyone to wait 10 minutes to see the whole thing, so I sped this part up, but I slowed it down for the next two. I think I made it the majority of the time. I was trying to get some other things in there, but I couldn't fit it all in, so I said whatever, I was already done, so time to move on to the next one. At this point was when I actually slowed it down for the 1 minute. I was basically trying to collect myself after that 10-minute one, trying to do the 1 minute, at least try to. And I think going to this, I was going to do pencil, but then I started to think, well, maybe I should just not waste my time with the pencil and then going with the pen. I think this point is when I switched to the pen, and it wasn't too good of a job. I think I put the nose in the wrong position, and then I started to get in the eyes, and everything just started looking messed up. I was trying to move the nose down, but since I was working a pen, I couldn't erase it or anything. I don't really have that much time anyway. It's I was already 40 seconds in. I don't even think I even got the veins in there. Oh, I got one of the veins. But not the rest of the body, though, I don't think. And time's almost up for this one. This one just looks like something I pulled out of a trash can, so I'm not really going to mess with that one. So the 10-second one would be much worse. So I'm starting to get into that. Still collecting myself again. And going into this one, I was just, I don't know what this ended up looking like. Just a hot pen mess. That's it. And there you have it. I think I'm going to do a little bit more of these challenges to kind of get the gist of working under pressure. So if you like what you see, like, subscribe, comment. See you all later.